Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another simple Sunday tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super simple origami snail. And it can be a flicker. It's not really a flicker. But yeah, it's really simple to fold and he looks pretty cute. And my frog looks pretty cute too. Yeah. And I'm going to show you how to make the snail. Alright, here goes. So to fold this you need half of a 6-inch square of kami, or any size square. And yes, so for this tutorial I'm going to use 6-inch kami. But you could use half of a sheet of printer paper cut square, I'm sure. Okay. So you take your square, fold it in half. So you can make 2 snails from 1 sheet of paper. And you can use scissors to cut along that line, but I'm going to tear it off, so I'm going to tear it off, so just reverse the crease. Make a tear on the top, like this, and place it on the desk, and separate your hands. And it should go all the way down, just like that. So like I said, you can make 2 of these from 1 square sheet of paper. Alright, let's begin. Wipe that up to make a brown snail, and fold in half. We're going to fold in half both ways. Okay, unfold and fold this edge to the crease. And fold in half again. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, and take this edge and fold it to this edge. Hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, and now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, and take this point and fold it to this point. Okay, and now if you'd like you can round the shell off by folding this up. This is to taste, or if you do want a guide mark then you can fold this point to here. You can just make a crease mark and fold to your crease mark. But really, you can just do it. You can just fold it to taste. See? Like that. Now, if you're happy with your shell being like this, then you don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you a nifty little way to round this. So, we're going to use the water bomb technique. So take this point and fold it to this point. Yeah, it's nighttime, by the way, so I'm talking kind of quiet because everybody's sleeping. Unfold and take this point and fold it to here. Oh yeah, that frog that you just saw in my box, that's just a frog I caught. I just caught it at like a pond area. But I'm going to let it go soon though. Yeah, I just catch him, look at him, and then I let him go. If you want to see where I found him, I made a video right here for that on my other channel. Okay. And take this point and fold it to this point. Yeah, it gets pretty small here. I actually recommend using half of a 10-inch square at least. Alright, now fold it up like this. Unfold, and now open one of those slots. It doesn't matter. There's multiple slots you can choose from. It doesn't matter which one. And here's the tricky step. We're going to tuck the flap in there. Alright, like that. It'll probably be a little bit easier if you use larger paper. And there it is, and that's how you round it. Isn't that a cool way to round it? The water bomb technique. The water bomb snail. Okay, and now let's make the eyes. So, take this edge and fold it to this edge. Unfold, and let's reverse fold. So open here. Not in the white slot, but in the colored slot. And reverse this crease, and reverse fold. Like that. And now fold one flap over. And the other one over. Like this. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. And take this edge and fold it to here. Like this. And there it is. There is the snail. Yeah, it's pretty much that easy. Yeah, it's a really simple snail. And it might fly like a flicker. Let me see. Yeah, he's a flicker. Check this out. Let me zoom out. I'm gonna hold it like this and flick on this edge. Yeah. Okay. It'll probably fly better if you kind of if you fold this up a little bit, close those edges off. But I'm not gonna do that though, because it's clean just like this. And so yeah, so there it is. Alright. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed folding this snail, and make sure you subscribe. And this is my snail and my Pacific Chorus frogs signing out. Alright, bye-bye. And here's my attempt on folding it from a single square sheet of paper. And as you can see, it came out to be a lot more difficult, and the paper got really thick, especially on the shell, like right here, or right here and stuff. And yeah, so what I did was I folded the square in half, and then I got the 2x1 rectangle from that. So yeah, so I folded the square in half, and then I folded it up into the snail. I didn't split it in half. So yeah, and this is what I got here. So yeah, it's pretty messy looking. It gets really thick, and I don't think I'll be able to get this to a point where I can teach it. But yeah, so it's a lot more easier. It's a lot easier from half of a square instead of a whole square. Okay,